I had a 30 by 54 patio poured. We've got, some senior family members that have mobility issues. Ayers had the best option. They're insured, they're licensed, and there's a lifetime warranty on my concrete patio. They were extremely respectful. They cleaned up after themselves every day. So there was no trash flying around the yard. There's no bottles left around. They did a great job. And with the professionalism that the guys had, and everybody that I've talked to and dealt with, I would very highly recommend Ayers.